Hello everybody, today we make a lasagna, but this is a special lasagna, it's a polenta lasagna. Mozzarella, 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 quanto sei bella! For the ingredient I got water, corn flour, pecorino cheese, piece of butter, mozzarella, and mozzarella fresh, and meat sauce. Okay, now we started for the polenta. I got the water. It's a 4 cup water, and we put it right over here. Now this you gotta boil. Okay, now the water boil. The first thing we gotta do, I gotta put a little salt. I put a little drop of oil. Now I want to tell everybody why. Somebody asked me why you put oil. I put the oil like a lot of people. What you do, put a nut inside, and when you turn the flour, the polenta, you stick everything in the pots on the bottom. I put a little drop like this. And now it's time to start with the flour. Now, when you do the flour, make sure the gas is really on low. And I put on low, because when you put the flour and the water starts to bubble too much, you can burn yourself on your face, on your hands, on your heart. You gotta watch. When you do the polenta, it's really, really dangerous to do. And now we start like this. And you got what you call a wisp. You gotta wisp all the time. No whiskey, wisp. You gotta make sure it no come clumpy. Okay. See, I gotta start to learn Italian a little bit. You see, in Italy we say, you know one come i cicerillo. In Italy, in my city, the polenta, he was eat the polenta breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's a polenta all day long for a week. It's not, okay, you eat one day, you say, oh, no, I eat the next year. Yeah, next year. You gotta eat every single day. Polenta, prima da botte e dopo da land. Mamma mia. This is the polenta, you gotta put a little bit at a time. Yeah, you can put everything on a time, but you know, come nice, the polenta smooth like, it look like a mayonnaise. Look at this. Look how nice. But you put everything at one time, it come like a gnocchi. Okay, now you make a polenta. It's okay. See, already this is ready like a polenta. But when you gotta make like I gotta do lasagna polenta, it gotta be a little bit more thick. And like this, you see, still I got a little more flour, and I gotta finish this corn flour. This is farina di Granturco. Okay, now. With this, I'm done, and I gotta do with the spoon, and you do like this. Look. And make sure the turner the way I do, and you gotta turn all the time. Look, you see on the bottle? It no stick nut. Look, you can see the parts on the bottle. Look at that. Okay, now this was cooked for 10 minutes. And now what I gotta do, I put a little piece of butter. And now I got a pecorino cheese. So you don't got a pecorino, use a Parmigiano cheese. But I got a pecorino, it's what I use. We melted the butter inside. Okay, polenta is done. And now we give a nice clean of the parts all the way around. And we start to put on these parts over here, we gotta make it flat. And one time you put on these parts, you gotta cool off. And you can use the refrigerator to cool off more fast, or you can leave outside. I don't know how long you want to do, but this you gotta cool off before you make the lasagna. Okay, now we gotta make flat on these little parts all the way to make it nice even. The polenta all over the place. Now, so the spatula it's a little sticky. I got over here cold water, and you can warm up, cool off, not warm up, cool off with the spatula, and you can flat all the way around. Okay? Now this one, it's done, but now you gotta cool off, maybe 1 hour. But you keep it in the refrigerator, it cool off more fast. I put this over here on the side. And I got already one cool off, done. And this is the dish for making the lasagna. And we do like this. One. Two. And three. This piece over here, it's extra. Boy, it look beautiful. Now this is good that a lot of people, eat the pasta, eat the polenta every single day. Okay, now we start the lasagna. I want to put a little drop of oil on the bottom of the dish over here. I don't want the frosted layer, the lasagna to stick on the bottom. And I brush just like that. Okay, now we start the one piece. And we put right over here on the bottom. And make sure the pack really good down. Okay, now we gotta put a little sauce. This is the meat sauce. And we all over the place like that. Okay, now we put mozzarella cheese shred. Oh, this is gonna be so good. And we put a fresh mozzarella like that. And I shred little pecorino cheese on the top. All right. And now we do one more layer, the lasagna, like this. And make sure the pack really good. Okay, now this one it's done. I was want to put another layer, but it come too thick. And I don't want to put in the oven, all the sauce it come out. But it's no problem. I got over here my knife, and what I do, I cut in half this one. I got the oil over here, little drop, and now little oil spread all over the place, and we put one piece polenta lasagna. We got the meat sauce like this. We put one scoop, we spread it like that. Look beautiful. And we do the pecorino cheese the same like the other one. I did the shredded mozzarella, a fresh mozzarella, right on like this. Another piece. Okay, look how beautiful. And now we got the piece you gotta cover. And you pack a little bit like that. And we put meat sauce, pecorino cheese, mozzarella, shredded mozzarella, a fresh mozzarella right on the top. But on this one, I want to put a little bit more extra mozzarella, because this one is for me. It's only for me, this. And this polenta lasagna, it's ready. Now, you gotta go in the oven at 400 degrees. One, and two. Okay. now we see when it's ready, we take out. We leave it cool off a little bit, about 10 minutes before you start to eat. Okay? The mozzarella, the sauce, you gotta be nice, relax, cool off a little bit. Okay, now the lasagna polenta, it look beautiful. And we take out one by one, because this is really, really hot over here. It look a beautiful look, oh nice. Okay, this is the other one. Good. It's another beautiful, look at this. Now you gotta cool off for 10 minutes, and after we cut a piece, and I wanna test. Okay, now let's taste my polenta lasagna polenta. And with my glass wine. Let's do. Oh. Mozzarella, fila fila. I can eat all by myself for this. It's so good. You know why? Mozzarella. Delicious. And up the polenta lasagna polenta. Salute e cincino devi fare. Ah, salute! Really good. Polenta with the wine. I remember the same when I was in Italy, boy, everybody was sit on the table. Big, oh, I don't want to break. Big dish like this, everybody was with a spoon and eat polenta. Ah, but this one, it's a delicious. Make polenta and you let me know. Thank you very much. A salute. Thank you.